Have you ever wondered about the most alien-looking place on Earth? Welcome to Socotra Island, an enchanting gem nestled far out in the Arabian Sea. This place is like a land that time forgot, with its isolation from the rest of the world shaping a unique ecosystem that exists nowhere else on our planet. Picture a world where over a third of its plant life is found only here, a sanctuary of evolution's extraordinary wonders. From the iconic dragon's blood trees with their umbrella-like canopies and crimson sap, to the vibrant Socotra sunbird, a bird species that adds a splash of color to the island's unique palette. Socotra's isolation has carved out a realm of distinct flora and fauna that have adapted and thrived in an environment unlike any other. This island is a testament to the power of evolution, a living showcase of what happens when life is left to write its own rulebook. Let's dive deeper into this alien world and discover its wonders, one chapter at a time. Imagine a forest of umbrella-shaped trees that bleed when cut. Welcome to the dragon's blood forest. These are no ordinary trees. They're dragon's blood trees, named for the crimson sap that seeps from their bark when damaged. Their canopy, resembling an upside-down umbrella, is a marvel of evolution, designed to capture mist and dew in the arid climate of Socotra. But these forests are not just about the trees. They're also home to the vibrant Socotra sunbird, a nectar-loving creature that has formed a unique relationship with the dragon's blood trees. The sunbird feeds on the tree's nectar and in the process, pollinates the flowers, aiding in the tree's reproduction. This remarkable symbiotic relationship is an example of how life forms on Socotra have co-evolved over millions of years, each adapting to survive in this harsh yet beautiful environment. These trees and birds are just a glimpse of the unique life forms that make Socotra an alien world. From the unique forests, we move to the pristine beaches of Socotra, where the marine life is just as extraordinary. The island's coastlines are a blend of white sand and rocky outcrops, lapped by the warm azure waters of the Arabian Sea. This is not just an idyllic paradise for beach lovers, it's also home to a fascinating array of marine species. The waters around Socotra teem with life, including a variety of coral reefs that host a myriad of fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. Unique species like the Socotra clownfish and the Arabian angelfish dart between corals, adding vibrant splashes of color to the underwater landscape. The island's marine ecosystem is a critical part of its biodiversity, providing a home for creatures that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. The beaches and marine life of Socotra are not just stunningly beautiful, they're also incredibly important for scientific research. Each ripple in the water, each grain of sand, each creature swimming beneath the surface contributes to the larger story of life on this incredible island. The beaches and marine life of Socotra are a testament to the island's rich and unique biodiversity. Beyond the beaches, Socotra's landscapes are a sight to behold. This island is a palette of contrasts painted by nature itself. Imagine vast sandy deserts where the sun casts long shadows dancing with the wind-blown dunes. Now let your mind wander to the Rocky Mountains, standing tall and proud against the sky, their rugged faces etched by time. These landscapes aren't just beautiful, they're unique. Socotra's geological features have been chiseled and shaped over millions of years. Each rock, each grain of sand, tells a story of the island's ancient past. Picture the limestone plateaus, carved by water and wind, bearing witness to centuries of relentless erosion. And then there are the granite mountains, their peaks reaching for the clouds. Formed from molten rock deep within the earth, they've endured the test of time, silently watching as the world changes around them. Socotra's landscapes are a testament to the island's geological history and the forces of nature at work. Our journey through Socotra would not be complete without a visit to one of its caves and a local village. Let's begin with the Hawk Cave. This isn't your ordinary cave. Nestled in the eastern part of the island, it's a labyrinth of natural beauty, stretching over 3 kilometers. Its formation is a testament to the might of nature, carved by the slow but relentless force of water over millennia. But it's not just the size or age of the Hawk Cave that's impressive, it's the life it harbors. Within its cool, shadowy chambers, you'll find a variety of unique species that have adapted to the cave's unique conditions. There are bats, of course, but also an array of insects and spiders found nowhere else in the world. These creatures have found a way to thrive in an environment where many others would falter, showcasing the incredible adaptability of life on Socotra. Now, Let's step out of the cave and into the sunlight of a local village. Here you'll find traditional Socotran houses built of stone and roofed with palm leaves. These aren't just homes, they're a testament to the ingenuity of the Socotran people, designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the island. The villagers' lifestyle is a blend of simplicity and resilience. They fish, farm, and herd goats, making the most of the resources available to them. And while modern amenities are scarce, the sense of community is strong. The people of Socotra have found a way to not just survive, but thrive in this unique environment. Their homes, their way of life, it's all a testament to the human ability to adapt and make the most of what nature provides. It's a lesson in resilience, in the face of an environment that's as challenging as it is beautiful. From the caves to the villages, every corner of Socotra tells a story of adaptation and survival in this alien world. Our journey through Socotra has been an adventure through a world unlike any other. We've traversed this alien landscape, marveling at the dragon's blood trees, their crimson sap a stark contrast to the barren surroundings. We've been charmed by the Socotra Sunbird, a beacon of life amidst the wilderness. We've reveled in the tranquility of the beaches, where the vibrant marine life thrives beneath the azure waves. We've been awestruck by the island's landscapes, a testament to nature's diversity and resilience. We've ventured into the depths of Hot Cave and glimpsed the traditional lifestyles of the local villagers, a culture that remains untainted by modernity. Each encounter, each discovery, has only deepened our appreciation for the island's biodiversity and its unique character. Socotra Island, an alien world on Earth, a testament to the wonders of evolution and the resilience of life. Until our next adventure, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of our planet.